There is one job that everyone has to do in the garden this week, if you haven't already, that will make gardening easier for the next 12 months. It's like free plant food. It's one of the best things you can add to your garden. And at the moment, if we look around, it's absolutely everywhere. But in about a week, maybe 2 weeks, it'll be gone. Autumn leaves are one of the best things that you can add to your compost, to your worm farms, even just to use as a mulch on top of your gardens. It's one of the easiest and funnest activities for kids to do, regardless of whether or not your garden is actually up and running yet. If you have any desire to start a garden over the next 12 months, do this today and you will thank me later. If you ask anyone who spends a lot of time on their veggie garden, they will tell you that until their compost system or worm farms are set up, one of the most expensive parts to gardening is fertilizers and buying compost and buying manure. Veggie gardening is not like normal gardening. You can't just use normal dirt that you find on the ground. You can, it just doesn't work very well because it doesn't have enough nutrients in there. It doesn't have enough food for the plants. So making your own is one of the best things that you can do to ensure the long-term health of your gardens. And collecting leaves today, right now, if you haven't already, is the best thing that you can do to help future you. Hello. And that's my son. It requires no tools, it requires no planning, it requires no prep. You don't even need any equipment. You don't have somewhere to put your leaves. You don't need a special spot for them. You can make a special spot. You just got to make sure there's holes down the bottom so that the water doesn't build up and get trapped and make it all slimy and yuck. If you don't have the full compost system going in your schools, in your kindergartens, in your homes, you can actually just create a pile of leaves, keep them in a space which gets airflow and drainage, and in time they get eaten by worms. The worms poop them out, and that is the most beautiful, beautiful food that we can give to our plants. So that all happens naturally if we don't do anything, and it happens really well. If you look at the dirt or the soil in a rainforest or in a forest anywhere, it is rich, it is full of nutrients, it is healthy, and that compost process has been happening naturally. If you want to know the official rules about compost, it's all about the greens and the browns. Now that's confusing because things that fit into the greens category aren't necessarily greens. But when people talk about greens in compost, they're talking about fruit and veggie waste and plants, you know, parts of trees that have been cut down or leaves. When people talk about browns, again, they're not necessarily always brown, but things that are browns are things that are rich in carbon, like autumn leaves. Autumn leaves are the best thing that you can add to your compost. If you're trying to find enough browns in a few weeks' time, when all the leaf sweepers have collected them off the ground, your trees are bare, you might be putting a whole lot of fruit and veggie scraps into your compost bins, they start to get a bit yucky and smelly because they don't have enough browns. If you've got a pile of autumn leaves there that you've collected this week, that is the perfect way to just chuck some in your compost, chuck lots of them into your compost, and it helps everything break down beautifully. Collecting autumn leaves is also one of the easiest and the funnest activities that kids can do. It's kind of like natural confetti, except it doesn't matter if they make a bit of a mess with it. They can scrunch it, they can touch it. Leaves are not litter. Leaves are nature's cheapest soil amendment. If you are a teacher or an educator in any sense of the word, I want to hear from you. I'm going to put a link in the description of this video. I've got some really important questions to ask you, and really, really love it if you could help me by filling some of this in.